my friend, Millie's new owner, got me this awesome new bird. She's very quiet and very low maintenance. And I'm just going to take it out to the aviary and see what Roku, Korra and Pabu think, because I think it might be pretty interesting. Okay, so I've just got the bird under my t-shirt so they can't see it. Hello, what's this? Hello, Mr. Pabu. Pabu! Have someone for you to meet, Pabu. Someone under my t-shirt. And you too, Petrie. And you, Mr. Wowie. And Princess. There's someone under my shirt. You're gonna meet the person under my shirt. What about you? I've got someone under my t-shirt that you're gonna meet. And I'm gonna take it out of my t-shirt now. Okay, I got her. Petrie, who's this? Who's that? Oh, not happy. Oh dear. Pabu's reaction. Who's that, Pabu? Who is it? Hi, Pabu. Mr. Pabu. Who is it? Who is that? Who is it, Petrie? Are you gonna say hello?
Huh?
Oh, Roku's not happy. He's scared. Oh no, don't eat her. She's friendly. Korra, look. She's sitting here. Oh, Petrie's interested. Who is that? Who is that, Korra? I want to be your friend. Ah! Okay, you don't like her. Oh, Korra. Is she scary bird? Yeah, she's the scary bird. Oh, you don't like her. I'll take her out. I think Roku likes her. Ooh. And you're not a fan either. What are you doing? You're so weird, Pabu. Okay, let's talk to Roku. Roku's the bravest. Hello, Roku. Kissing. Korra's watching. Don't cheat. You naughty boy. Bye-bye. 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 Oh, God. Sorry.